Stop scrolling. We are back, and we are back with a pepper. Look at that. This is called Lucifer's mustard. This comes from my good friend Jacob Deathridge at Deathridge Peppers. Check him out. He's online. You see him on all your major social media outlets. Take a look at that. And now that bug seems to want to chime in. Oh, there it goes. Anyways, look at that. Holy mackerel. Now, most of these mustard pods, they're going to be in excess of 1 million to 1.5 million Scoville heat units. We'll tell you what we think this one is. Here we go. Ah. Ooh. Okay. So this has got some citrus to it with a hint of floral to it. Got a lot of those earthy flavors to it. Right now we're starting off at a 3. Shut up and burn. Yeah, sorry about that. I just got out of the shower, but doing a lot of yard work today. Yeah, this has got the wings of my tongue on fire right now. We're every bit of a 5. I'll ask you, I'll talk about a pepper here in a second. I get to this time of year out here in my yard, because we've got acres, I don't have a sprinkler system. I took 2 weeks off of mowing. It seems like I could have taken 3 weeks off. What about you guys? What about you and your mowing this time of season as we're hitting the end of summer? Do you find that you don't have to mow quite as often? Right now I'm a bit of a 6. Yeah, so another one of these, I feel like I kind of got like dragon's breath. The throat's burning, the mouth is salivating, but I feel like I got that hot breath that I don't always get with peppers. Right now it's about a 6.5. Pepper burp. Yeah, they've really coming up with some unique names for some of these pods lately. Lucifer's mustard. Yeah, we're still at that 6.5. Yeah, this is one of those peppers. Flavor's good. The burn is good. It's not too much. You know, my comfort zone is right around that 6.5. I don't feel this getting much hotter than the 6.5 that I'm feeling right now. So, hey, I want to thank Jacob Deathridge Peppers, for sending these out to me. Love you guys. Keep it spicy.